Okay, Cutlass fans, take a look at this one. Very, very nice, pretty convertible. Perfect for the weather down here in Florida right now. Everybody's bundled up on this chilly end of January, Wednesday morning. You're looking at a beautiful 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible.
This one last week that had a LS engine.
Doc Albers, a friend of mine, owns that.
The fastest.
Over 356,000 miles with the original 350 engine, one rebuild and 350 transmission, two really rebuilds. Wow, this is long-term ownership, folks. Yes, it's even got the correct gold paint. Wow. You know, not every car is a concourse, Jay Leno, California type car, but this is a very nice, pretty Saturn Gold Olds Cutlass convertible. Drop the top, take a ride in the cool, sunny morning here in South Florida. You can't beat it. These cars weren't cheap. Yep, it's got air. You had to have money to have these things. And paint's real nice. The styling on these cars were very nice. They're not a small car, but they're not a big, giant, long car either. They're that nice intermediate size from back then. And there you have it, Oldsmobile Cutlass fans. Beautiful Saturn Gold 72 Cutlass convertible. Doesn't get much better than that. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.